Chennai-based space tech startup AgniKul Cosmos has raised $17 million at a valuation of $500 million. It's Runtime, your daily 24-hour Indian tech recap, and they're going to be using some of this capital to build an integrated space campus on 350 acres of land that have been allocated to the company by the government of Tamil Nadu. And they're also working on recovering and reusing the lower stage of their rockets, as well as on extending the usable life of the upper stages of their rockets through newly granted patents. And the startup has said that growing customer interest from India and the Middle East and Australia have put a bit of pressure on the company to scale their capacity as AgniKul moves towards the commercialization of their Agniban rocket. And the last update we got on their upcoming orbital launch was September 29th, 2025, when they said that they were planning to carry out their orbital launch soon. All right, next up, Bengaluru-based Prava has launched their payment stack for AI agents. And the problem that they're solving is that currently most AI systems just aren't able to complete transactions in a secure way online. And so Prava gives agents the ability to carry out payments inside of chats and voice interfaces while keeping user funds separated and monitored. And Prava also has an API with checkout, wallet controls, and tools for managing the whole transaction flow. And they also provide individual AI wallets that separate balances and permissions for each user and each agent. And developers can set financial limits, create extra verification steps, and add intent checks to limit accidental spending. And it's also worth noting that Prava allows AI agents to make payments using credit and debit cards, and this feature is currently available in their sandbox and will be deployed to production by the end of 2025, meaning that users will be able to safely give AI agents access to the cards that they normally use in day-to-day life. All right, next up, I have some reading material for you all. So Aspera, which is a Bengaluru-based startup building autonomous airplanes, was just featured on Tiger Feathers. And actually the founder of Aspera, Kushi Mittal, wrote the piece as a guest contributor. It's an excellent read on why India currently doesn't have any homegrown commercial aircraft manufacturers. Like, for example, the United States has Boeing, right? Or Europe has Airbus, or China has Comac, and Brazil has Embraer. And she also writes about why India needs to build indigenously designed and manufactured commercial aircraft, and how she and her team at Aspera are actually working on self-flying seaplanes that transport cargo from one port to another. So if you want to check the article out, you can find a link to it in our bio or description, depending on where you're watching this video. And again, I would highly recommend checking it out. But anyways, that is all of the Indian tech news that I have for you all today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.